Hi, I'm Jerald Bankston with product support here at Power Curbers. One of the frequent questions I get asked by our customers is, what is a tie bar? Tie bars are deformed epoxy-coated rebar. They are usually drilled into the side and faces of curbs and glued to help tie that curb to an existing highway. They are also used in highway paving to join two lanes together. They are non-load transferring tie-ins. The reason that they put the epoxy coating on the rebar is to keep the rust off of them, which would allow movement in the concrete if the rust were to flake off of the rebar. There are two ways the tie bars can be inserted into the face of concrete. One of them is by drilling holes, placing epoxy on the tie bars, and hand inserting them. The second way is mechanically installed, as these are added onto our power pavers through center bar inserters and side bar inserters. If you have any other questions, please call us here at Power Curbers. We are here to help.